Hello everybody, today I'm gonna do a little bottle flip, and yes, this is my face. I hope you're happy now. I did a face reveal. Let's do this. Okay, let me just get my blankie to get comfortable. My bottle just fell. So, the Q&A is gonna come out, just if you do some comments. Dang it. Let me just empty some water. There's a lot of water.
You can have a drink.
This is tap water, it's not good. Okay, I got the thing. Let's start. Woo! Okay. Dab. Every time I don't do it, I'm gonna have a little hot sauce. I'm gonna be using sriracha.
Why are you getting sriracha?
Hot sauce challenge. Just flip.
Why are you getting sriracha?
Oh no. Oh no.
I get it.
Oh god. Just give me one chance. Oh, I'm done. Sorry. Sriracha.
You have to do it 2 times.
Hot sauce.
And if it's not spicy, you have to put in more.
Oh. Here we go.
Hayden, you didn't put enough.
Dude.
Bruh.
Oh, that's so spicy. No water, some of this. Oh, 2 chances. Let me just get up. Oh. Here we go.
Oh, another one? And the more times you do it, you have to put in more. Got that?
That's spicy. I gotta add some more water. Okay, I'm back. Oh.
Show them what you did. You have to put some hot sauce in.
Oh, the phone. Is the phone okay? Hello? 4 drops. 1, 2, 3.
Why do I do this? Oh.
5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I did 6. No! I got 6 drops. Maybe a little small, but I can assure you, this is sriracha hot sauce. Something very spicy. At least for me, because I'm just a kid. Dang it! No!
Hey, I'll join in if, alright?
If this video, let's say, gets 5 likes, 5 likes, I will make an X of hot sauce. And my mouth is still burning.
On a spoon.
Yeah.
Like the letter X on a spoon.
Okay.
This is all about peaceful communication.
If this goes wrong, I always have water.
Just tell them when you're going to film this video.
I'm not gonna play anything. It's a bottle flip. I did it.
No, alright, I changed my mind. I'm not going to do it with you.
Sub, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.